Finding the perfect toy isn't just for kids, it's for anyone who loves to play, build, or just have fun. This list of 20 Amazon toys includes something for everyone, no matter your age. Whether you're into puzzles, gadgets, or collectibles, I've listed the best options you'll want to check out. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Take a look and find your next favorite. Kick-It Birdie Soccer Trainer. Designed for dynamic play, this aerodynamic birdie is re-engineered for foot-based fun. Its feather-light structure slows in the air, giving players more time to practice skills like juggling and ball control. The compact, adjustable court setup allows for exciting, rule-free gameplay using feet, chest, and thighs. A durable rubber kick pad enhances kicks and tricks, making it safe for indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for honing soccer techniques or creating unique challenges with friends. Go-Key Transformable Fidget Spinners. Versatile and interactive, these spinners feature 6 deformable chains for endless shape-shifting possibilities. Transform them into robots, creative shapes, or even phone holders to encourage hands-on creativity. High-speed center bearings ensure smooth and long-lasting spins, while the colorful design adds a playful touch. Great for relieving stress, improving focus, and enhancing hand-eye coordination. This toy is perfect for kids with ADHD, autism, or anyone seeking stress relief through fun and fidgeting. Hapfalm Dance Mat. Enjoy hours of wireless fun with this rechargeable dance mat, featuring a 6-hour playtime after a quick charge. Large illuminated buttons and synchronized LED cues make dancing easy and enjoyable for all ages. With 20 music tracks, 3 difficulty levels, and 5 exciting game modes, this mat fosters coordination and concentration. The removable music player reduces neck strain, promoting healthy posture. An LED scoreboard adds excitement, making it a perfect addition to any play session. Jiker Slide Puzzle. Engage your mind with this pocket-sized slide puzzle that challenges logic and reasoning. Solve over 500 built-in puzzles by shifting pieces to guide the red block to its goal. A great tool for screen-free entertainment, it develops planning and critical thinking skills for both kids and adults. Compact and travel-friendly, this fidget puzzle offers endless brain-teasing fun, whether at home or on the go, keeping boredom at bay with every challenge. Ovally Mini Drone. Capture stunning aerial moments with this drone's 1080p HD camera and FPV function. Its intuitive controls, including one-key start landing and altitude hold, make it beginner-friendly. Voice commands and gesture recognition add futuristic flair, allowing hands-free photography and flight. 2 modular batteries extend playtime, while features like 360-degree flips, speed control, and gravity sensors enhance the fun. Lightweight and portable, it's the ultimate high-tech gift for kids and adults alike. Toysmith Tech Gear Multi-Voice Changer. Explore the science of sound with this voice synthesizer featuring 10 unique voice modifiers. Side levers allow adjustments to frequency and amplitude, creating hundreds of sound combinations. Complete with a built-in voice amplifier and flashing LED lights, this gadget is entertaining for both kids and adults. Perfect for sparking creativity and laughter, it comes with a 9-volt battery for immediate use. A fun way to experiment and inspire imaginative play. Eilic Robot Pets Toy. Meet Eilic, the robot pet with a personality. Packed with emotions, interactions, and mini-games, this companion comes alive with a simple touch. Engage with its diverse expressions by tapping or lifting, and watch it adapt to your playstyle. Connect multiple units for group fun, from chatting to hosting robot parties. Regular firmware updates ensure new emotions and games, making Eilic a constantly evolving source of entertainment and joy. Flybar Pogo Trick Ball. Jump into fun with this vibrant combo of balance board, pogo stick, and jump ball. Its heavy-duty grip tape ensures secure footing, while the included pump allows for easy inflation. Built for durability, it can handle up to 160 pounds and provides hours of active play. Ideal for improving gross motor skills and fitness, this jumper encourages kids to stay healthy while having a blast bouncing indoors or outdoors. Top Secret Toys Virtual Pet. Relive the 90s with this nostalgic virtual pet keychain featuring 2 retro games. Choose between the chill Starcat or attention-loving CompuKitty for a customized experience. StarCat even reads fortunes daily with fun astrological symbols. Lightweight and portable, this pocket-sized digital companion is perfect for on-the-go play. Whether you're a seasoned fan or introducing it to a new generation, this virtual pet is a delightful blend of vintage charm and modern fun. Tamina Golf Pen Set. A thoughtful and versatile gift, this desk accessory combines functionality with fun. Crafted from premium materials like aluminum and zinc alloy, it features golf club-shaped pens that add charm to any workspace. Compact in size, it doubles as a desktop golf game, making it perfect for breaks or a creative touch to your office. Ideal for golf enthusiasts, corporate events, or holiday gifts, it's a unique blend of practicality and playfulness. Rocketbook Reusable Spiral Notebook. Create, digitize, erase, and recreate effortlessly. Designed with reusable dotted pages, this notebook lets you jot down ideas using the included Pilot Friction pen and digitize them with the app for easy cloud storage. Its durable spiral binding and waterproof cover make it perfect for everyday use. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and reuse endlessly. Compact and available in multiple sizes, it's ideal for on-the-go creativity and efficient digital organization. Cheslick Our Metal Fidget Spring. Made of durable 2.5mm stainless steel wire, this rugby-shaped fidget toy is perfect for stress relief. Its silent operation makes it ideal for offices, while its sturdy design withstands maximum force without breaking. Transform its shape for a satisfying click sound or squeeze it for calming tactile feedback. Lightweight and portable, it's a unique tool for relaxation and focus during busy days. RM Recomax Metal Detector. Featuring a waterproof 7.4-inch search coil, this metal detector is designed for high sensitivity and all-season treasure hunting. Adjustable from 24 to 35 inches, it's perfect for kids and adults alike. The LCD display and buzzer provide clear detection feedback with louder sounds for closer objects. Lightweight and foldable, it's ideal for outdoor adventures, fostering exploration and curiosity. Includes sand shovels and a carry bag for convenience. Koijokno Mini Cryptex Lock Puzzle. Inspired by the Da Vinci Code, this intricate cryptex features a 5-digit code and over 300 million possible combinations. Its default password can be customized easily using the included tools. Use it for puzzle games or as a romantic gift, adding mystery and fun to proposals or anniversaries. Its compact design and unique concept make it a meaningful and interactive present for special occasions. Pre-pop gesture sensing RC stunt car toys. Enjoy thrilling stunts with this 4-wheel drive RC car, capable of 360-degree spins and all-direction drifts. Gesture control adds an interactive twist, responding to wrist movements via a sensing watch. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, it ensures hours of fun. Durable bionic joints allow it to conquer challenging terrains like gravel, lawns, and beaches. With colorful lights and off-road capability, it's the ultimate toy for adventurous play. Play Shifu Plug-O Math Toy. Transform learning with this AR-powered STEM gaming kit. Designed for ages 4 to 10, it features 250-plus levels of math puzzles and story-based challenges. Adjustable difficulty keeps it engaging for all grades, enhancing critical thinking, problem-solving, and mathematical skills. With its hands-on approach, it's a perfect tool for sparking curiosity and making learning fun for young minds. Ideal for screen-free educational play. Wish House Walkie-Talkies. Rechargeable and kid-friendly, these walkie-talkies provide long-range, crystal-clear communication. Ruggedly built for durability, they withstand active play and adventures. The dual-head USB cable and rechargeable batteries make recharging hassle-free. With vibrant designs and HD sound, they're perfect for family outings, birthdays, or holiday gifts. Encourage imaginative play and keep kids connected during outdoor explorations. VTech Kitty Star DJ Mixer. Unleash creativity with a DJ turntable featuring 15 built-in songs, 2,000-plus sound combinations, and custom sound effects. Save your creations and add dazzling light effects for a party vibe. Connect to playlists via Bluetooth or audio cable and play mashups through the built-in speaker or headphones. Perfect for budding DJs, it combines fun and skill building with an engaging music game. Specs Magnetic Fidget Toy. Experience endless creativity with this magnetic fidget sphere. Each piece connects on all sides, letting you stack, snap, and build unique designs. Its deconstructible dodecahedron shape offers a calming tactile experience. Compact and portable, It's an innovative alternative to traditional fidget toys, keeping your hands busy and your mind relaxed during work or downtime. Scrib 3D 3D printing pen. Create stunning 3D designs with this beginner-friendly pen, featuring adjustable speed for intricate or bold projects. The kit includes 3 PLA filament colors, a power adapter, and a stencil guide to kickstart your creativity. Plug it in, heat it up, and start building artistic or practical objects. Ideal for developing spatial thinking and providing hours of family fun, it's a versatile tool for crafting and problem solving. That's a wrap on our list of 20 Amazon toys that bring out the kid in all of us. Whether you're looking to treat yourself, surprise a loved one, or add some joy to your day, these toys prove that fun has no age limit. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and snag your favorites today. If this video sparked some nostalgia or helped you find your next must-have, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned for more exciting finds, tips, and reviews coming your way.